This is a exchanger amplifier, exchanger SPB602. Someone bring me to repair this amplifier. Now I am going to check. Before it was repaired, lots of time. Look, someone cut the wire. They have no connection, only the voltage connection have. Only DC voltage connection and output, nothing. Look, this board maybe cannot be used. Look, everything changed. The board condition is not good. I'm going to check the transistor. Here is silicon transistor. Need to check the transistor. Some transistor has opened. I'm taking out and disconnecting all wire. This wire I'm taking out all. Need to take out one by one. This is the thermistor. I'm disconnecting the thermistor also. Now we need to cut the cable tie. This side also need to disconnect the wire. Here someone use silicon transistor. Need to take out all transistor and check. I have to open this heatsink. Taking out the frame first. The frame. Here is 8 transistor. I have to check this all transistor. Need to check 2N3773. Look, here is 2N3773. Here is MJ15024, MJ15025. I don't know how to this. So this one MJ, this one MJ, this one MJ. Okay, this some transistor has changed. First I have to take out all transistor and check nicely. Then I will fix it again. I have to take out all things and have to reset again. All transistor I need to take out from the heatsink. Everyone have to take out. I don't want to use this transistor like as this. I need to fix it in my hand. I want to fix it. They don't use any paste or separator. Look, they use paper separator. How? They make separator using paper. Paper cannot transfer the heat. Look, the transistor makes so hot. For this case, it is stuck here. For this separator, paper separator. How can be possible is because people separator, I don't know. They use separator. They make separator in the paper. For this case, it's make problem. Never use paper for as a separator. As a separator, need the Miyako only for the separator. Now I am going to check this transistor. This transistor is okay. This transistor is this one PNP negative transistor. This one negative transistor. MJ. This one positive transistor, maybe positive. This one also negative 25. MJ 15025. This one also okay. This one 24. Look, it's also okay. This one positive transistor. MJ 15024. This one positive 24. This one negative, this one positive. 24 is positive, 25 is negative. MJ 15024 is positive, 25 is negative. This one also okay, positive transistor. This one positive. Collector. This is emitter. It's okay. 25 positive. This one also okay. This one is okay. Also, this one is okay. No short. It's the emitter. Body is the collector. This one also positive transistor 24. MJ 15024. Emitter is greater than the collector. You know that emitter is greater than the collector. This is negative loop. Don't work. This one positive transistor. These two no need to check. This one another transistor, another group, 2n group. This one not good. We know emitter is greater than the collector. This one bad. Look, both side working. This one not working. Maybe that one okay. I don't know which transistor. Don't have any name. Collect emitter collector, this one collector 490, emitter is 500. This one is okay transistor, negative transistor, negative. This one is the negative transistor. This one is okay. Look, base to collector is 490, emitter is 500. Emitter is greater than the collector. Emitter is greater than the collector. That means this one is okay. Negative transistor. Using positive loop not working. This one is one negative transistor. But I don't know it's which transistor. Waiters for difference. If any help, please contact with us from the screen number. There are our phone number, WhatsApp number. You can contact with us. Brother Electronics, my putty Joshua. Thank you.